Are you tired of your gaming laptop stuttering during intense battles or taking forever to load your favorite AAA titles? Let me tell you about a machine that's completely revolutionizing the gaming laptop world, the ASUS ROG Strix G18 with the brand new 2025 specs that have thousands of gamers absolutely raving. This powerhouse comes equipped with NVIDIA's latest GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card paired with Intel's cutting-edge Core Ultra 9 processor. What does this mean for you? Buttery smooth gameplay at maximum settings, even on the most demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and the latest Call of Duty. We're talking about performance that rivals many desktop setups, all packed into a portable gaming beast. The display alone is worth the price of admission. This 18-inch ROG Nebula screen delivers a stunning 2.5K resolution at 240 Hz with just 3 milliseconds of response time. Colors pop with incredible vibrancy, and that ultra-fast refresh rate means you'll never miss a frame during competitive gaming. Professional streamers and content creators are choosing this exact display setup for good reason. Here's where it gets even better: 32GB of lightning-fast DDR5 memory and a massive 2TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. You can run multiple games, streaming software, and Chrome tabs simultaneously without any slowdown. Game loading times are practically instant, giving you a serious competitive edge. ASUS didn't forget about thermals either. Their ROG intelligent cooling system keeps this machine running cool and quiet, even during marathon gaming sessions. No more thermal throttling ruining your performance when things heat up. The customizable RGB light bar isn't just for show, it's become a signature feature that top-rated gaming influencers absolutely love for creating that perfect streaming setup atmosphere. This laptop consistently ranks as one of Amazon's top-rated gaming machines, with thousands of verified buyers praising its incredible build quality and performance reliability. Check the link below for today's Amazon deal on the ASUS ROG Strix G18. Your gaming setup will never be the same.